搁再新闻来看 ，AI 科技相关的股票已经连续去7个月了，最近嘛陆续会开始了。Google 的母公司Alphabet 的首席执行长最近咧接受访问的时，就讲，AI 发展了上过紧咯，嘛正烦恼讲，若投资人对 AI 景气过度期待，造成 AI 变做水泡，所有的公司拢会受到影响。
伫最近7个月 ，AI 科技股价一直攀升，真就是辉达顶大科技业者。拢甲台积电落几多千亿美金的订单，而且希望以加速扩张产能。不过，伫10月除了辉达、Apple、Meta 等7大科技股内面，有5支股票下跌，引起大家的注意。Google 的母公司 Alphabet 首席的执行长皮查希也讲，就亲像网际网络初期发展同款 ，AI 市场扩张伤紧。到时若出现水泡化情形，无一个公司闪袂过。
There was clearly a lot of excess investment. But none of us would question whether the internet was profound or did it drive a lot of impact. I expect AI to be the same. So I think it's both rational. There are elements of irrationality through a moment like this. No company is going to be immune, including us. If you overinvest, we'll have to work through that phase.
因那美国股市4大指数因为受到大型科技相关类股高度担心的影响，伫10月国债剧烈震动，连续第4天收乌。另外担心 AI 市场会水泡化，标准500指数连续4个交易日下跌。
The S&P 500, as it stands right now, is on track for its longest losing streak since August. I think many are questioning at this point in time, how much longer can the AI infrastructure spend continue at its current levels?
路透社报道，辉达伫咧过去12季的财报公布的季当中，股价平均会出现7.3%的起半百。因若辉达将会伫盘后公布上新一季的财报，有可能引起市值3200亿美金的波动。AI 力调究竟是进一步升温，还是开始降温？辉达是指标之一，所以投资人正关心。公司新闻深入会编写。